Alright, this is the 1979 SR500. I'm going to do a cold start and walk around video for you guys, then we'll take her for a ride. It is a balmy 43 degrees here in North Idaho. Not terribly cold, cold enough. She generally does pretty good. Normally don't do any choke or anything on it when I start it, unless it's really cold out. She's nice and cold. Been sitting for, say about 3 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks since I last started it. Maybe a little more, just been hanging out in the lineup. I did fuel stabilizer and all the bikes, and that was the last time I fired her up, took her for a little ride. It is on a capacitor, no battery, so I turn the headlight off when I go to start it. Give it one crank on the throttle. That gives it accelerated pump, a shot of fuel in the combustion chamber, pulling the decompression lever, give it a couple of kicks, get her lined up on your timing mark there. That helps with starting quite a bit. Key on, no throttle. Idle's great. Love the sound of that Emgo pipe. Get lots of compliments on that. You see some of the other vintage rides I got back there. Mainly Yamahas. Got old CB back there. Got a little bit of corrosion on some of the bolts up here from some moisture sitting on them. Forgetting to blow the air out of them after washing it. But other than that, nice rust-free bike. It is a Southern California bike. Spent its entire life down there. I've had it in North Idaho for about 2 years. More or less a fair weather rider. Great little cafe bike. Go to the coffee shop. Rip around town. Taking her on some pretty good runs as well. Again, she's not perfect. This is what I would describe as a ridden show bike. It's a fully restored bike that has miles on it. It's not a trailer queen. You can see she's got some scratches, some chips on the wheels and the forks. A little bit of wear here and there, but in excellent shape. Literally zero issues with this bike, no problems. I've put a lot of miles on it since I've owned it and done the resto. Alright, let's go for a ride. I'll show you guys how to do a hot start. She's been sitting here idling. This is the hot start button. You push that little guy up. This is really helpful if you've been out ripping and she's real nice and warm. Makes starting her real easy. If I can set this down without too much screwing around here. Here we go. Just push that little button up. That cracks the throttle just enough. Same deal, pulling your decompression lever. I'm getting that timing mark lined up on there. That's very helpful. Make sure that key's on. That'll help, huh?